Good morning. Welcome to the forecast discussion for January 3rd, 2021. Of course, I'm your meteorologist, Stephen DiMartino. If you're wondering why I'm laughing, it's because for two times I've said 2020 when I should have said 2021. So I'm probably going to make that mistake repeatedly several times. So this morning we've already seen some rain and snow and sleet throughout the region, as some more snow over the interior, more of a wintry mix over the I-95 corridor, and rain along the southern New Jersey coast. Temperatures range from the upper 20s to lower 30s over the interior, lower to mid 30s in your suburbs, upper 30s to mid 40s along the coast where we're seeing mostly rain. So right now we're kind of in between that period between the first wave that lifted on through the region and the second wave that is going to be developing where our coastal low this evening. When we take a look at our current surface map, you can see our low pressure system starting to organize here. The upper level low feature, this is the surface reflection of that upper level low starting to transfer to the coast here. And our low pressure system starting to organize. Our high pressure system over Maine, pushing into the Gulf of Maine. Because it's leaving, that means that our coastal plain will not be getting any colder, while the interior, the cold air will hold on just a bit, enough to support that snowfall. So here's our first wave moving through. Our second part of the storm starting to organize right here, but it really won't mature until about 4 p.m. this afternoon, and then kind of lift on through this evening into the early morning hours. On the infrared satellite picture, you can see first wave lifting through, overcast cloud cover. Here's our upper level low. What we'll see later on this afternoon and this evening is colder cloud tops starting to expand towards the coast and intensify as our low pressure system starts to get its act together. And closer to home, you can see that first wave lifting up, and then here's our upper level low, and you can see all the low clouds. So it's going to be a cloudy day regardless. So this is what I'm expecting with this storm. Again, for the interior, which is in zone 4, most locations will be around 2 inches. You could see up to 5 inches if we get any type of mesoscale banding, but I think most locations here will see around 2 inches of snow when all said and done. For zone 3, again, wintry mix of snow, sleet, and rain, mixing over the snow at the end, around 1 to 3 inches. Most locations in that 1 to 2 inch range for the most part. And then in zone 2, that is where you're going to see that rain-snow mix until the very end. Maybe see a trace, an inch of snow. I put 2 inches in there just in case for portions of central and eastern Long Island, maybe getting clipped with a heavier band early tomorrow morning. But that is pretty much about it. And then zone 1, pretty much rain. You might see a flurry at the very end. Not really that big of a deal down towards the central and southern New Jersey coast and much of southern New Jersey. So let's dive into this forecast for today. Appears of rain and snow, just really, really ugly out there. For temperatures to rise into the mid 30s over the interior, upper 30s to lower 40s along the coast. For tonight on through tomorrow morning, the storm lifts through with some lingering rain and snow showers tomorrow morning. The rush hour tomorrow morning, just beware of some slick roadways. This isn't a major storm, but it's one of those pesky storms that it doesn't seem like much, but it can create some trouble on the roadways. So definitely just keep that in mind, especially with low temperatures in the upper 20s to lower 30s. You might be dealing with some slick spots and some snow-covered roads here. Again, not a major storm, but you don't need much to create some accidents. By the afternoon, scattered cloud cover might see a passing rain or snow shower with temperatures rising into the mid-30s to lower 40s throughout the region. On Tuesday and Wednesday, we're going to have this upper level low hanging around here, and so that's going to allow for scattered to broken cloud cover and a passing flurry from time to time. Not a major event in any way, shape, or form, but some of these snow showers might pack a little bit of a punch, so we're going to have to be aware of that. Look for temperatures for both days to range from the mid-20s to lower 30s for lows, and lower to mid-30s over the interior and upper 30s to lower 40s along the coast. On Thursday and Friday, high pressure will be in control with scattered cloud cover. Lows will range from the mid-teens to lower 20s over the interior, mid to upper 20s along the coast. High temperatures in the lower to mid-30s over the interior and upper 30s to lower 40s along the coast. And then we're going to have to watch this storm for Saturday as it intensifies over the coastal waters. A lot of models keep to the south and east, but other models well, they bring more of a rain-snow mix and maybe some significant snow to the region on Saturday that we're going to have to really, really watch. Look for low temperatures to range from the mid-teens to lower 20s over the interior, mid-20s to lower 30s along the coast. High temperatures in the upper 20s to lower 30s over the interior, mid to upper 30s along the coast. And on Sunday, look for scattered cloud cover with lows in the lower to mid-teens over the interior, upper teens to mid-20s along the coast. High temperatures in the lower to mid-30s over the interior and mid to upper 30s along the coast. That's your forecast discussion for today. Of course, I'm your meteorologist, Stephen DiMartino, and as always, stay safe out there.